Good morning, students. Welcome to the bio class. Let's start the revision video for lysosome. Lysosome is a single membrane bound structure present in both plant as well as animal cell. Single membrane. Now, children, you have studied many other cell organelles which are surrounded by single membrane. Those organelles are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and I will tell you many other structures later having a single membrane. Now, children, you may get confused in endoplasmic reticulum because we say that it is a double membrane bound structure. Now, I'm going to make this concept clear that in endoplasmic reticulum, double membrane bound structure means it is formed of tube like structures, and double membrane means both side membrane and an interconnected network of tubules are formed, though it is surrounded by a single layer. But double membrane means the membrane is present on both the sides. I think now you must be clear about endoplasmic reticulum. Now, moving on to the next slide, we are going to study here about lysosomes, the intracellular digestive enzymes, because you all know that's the function of lysosome, and I have told you that it performs intracellular digestion. Intra means within, and cellular means cell. So, within the cell, digestion occurs, and also we say as phagocytosis. Another term for intracellular digestion is phagocytosis. Now, lysosomes are small vesicles of different shape, and they contain some digestive enzymes which works at low pH. Now, these enzymes destroy and digest foreign substances around them. They digest stored food during starvation of the cell. Starvation of the cell means when the cell do not get any food from external sources, then the food stored inside the cell is digested by lysosome. Along with that, the last point is that many damaged cells are rapidly destroyed or dissolved by their own lysosomes, hence, these are called as suicide bags. This means that in any case, if lysosome membrane ruptures or the enzyme is leaked out of the lysosome, then these enzymes will digest all the cell. These enzymes will digest the cell in which it is present. That's why lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags of the cell. Okay, class, now let us move on to the next slide. You have studied about this slide. Let us move on to the next one. You have also studied this process. The next one is phagocytosis, means the earlier two slides were representing the process of phagocytosis. Now, phagocytosis is the process wherein a cell binds to the item it wants to engulf on the cell surface and draws the item inward while engulfing around it. This means that the item is this, the large particle, and it is engulfed moving inside the cell. The process of phagocytosis often happens when the cell is trying to destroy something like a virus or an infected cell, and is often used by immune system cells. Now, children, you can see here that how this wall is invaginating itself to form a vacuole. Now, take a look here. Suppose this is the plasma membrane, and the item or a bacteria or a virus is present here. then you can see that this wall will invaginate itself like this, and the food particle will enter inside this. Now this wall will again attain its structure, and the vacuole will move having the food particle in it. This is how the phagocytosis starts. After this, you know the process that this phagosome combines with lysosome to form phagolysosome, and the food particle is digested by the enzymes present in the lysosome. That's all about phagocytosis. This process you have studied. So children, that's all about the revision of